Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you the top 10 must-have gutter cleaning tools for a spotless roof. So let's get started. Tool number 1. The gutter scoop. This handy tool makes removing leaves and debris from your gutters a breeze. Its curved shape helps you reach into those hard-to-reach places. Next up, the gutter brush. With its bristles, it helps prevent clogs by keeping leaves and debris out of your gutters. Simply place it inside your gutters and let it do its magic. Tool number 3. The gutter grabber. This tool allows you to easily grab and pick up debris from your gutters without having to climb up a ladder. Say goodbye to getting your hands dirty. Now, let's talk about the gutter cleaning one. It attaches to your garden hose and provides a powerful stream of water to flush out any clogs or dirt from your gutters. It's a quick and efficient way to keep your gutters clean. Moving on to tool number 5, the gutter cleaning kit. This comprehensive kit comes with everything you need to keep your gutters clean, including extension poles, brushes, scoops, and more. It's a one-stop solution for all your gutter cleaning needs. Tool number 6 is the gutter vacuum. This high-powered machine sucks up leaves and debris from your gutters, leaving them perfectly clean. It's a game changer for those hard-to-reach areas, or if you have a large property. Next, we have the gutter blower. With its powerful airflow, it blows away leaves and debris, giving you a clean and clear gutter. It's a quick and efficient option for those who prefer a no-fuss cleaning method. Tool number 8, the gutter cleaning robot. Yes, you heard that right. This little robot crawls through your gutters, cleaning as it goes. It's a fun and automated way to keep your gutters clean. Tool number 9 is the gutter rake. Its unique design allows you to easily remove leaves and debris without having to climb a ladder. It's perfect for those who want a simpler and safer gutter cleaning experience. And finally, tool number 10, the gutter foam insert. These foam inserts fit directly into your gutters and act as a filter, preventing leaves and debris from clogging them. It's a low-maintenance solution that keeps your gutters clean all year round. Thanks for watching our video on the top 10 must-have gutter cleaning tools for a spotless roof. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy cleaning!